Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Roll up out now, 2E high. Fuck both sides, I don't fuck them guys. Rico check, then bust that die. JB did, couldn't use his mind, don't mention the pull up fine, I'm a $8 nigga and I'm still out flying. 33 in my Glock while I'm spinning the fire. Catch pimpin' slippin', he know it's none. Fuck 6 and 7, fuck ass where I catch pimpin' slippin', he know it's none.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean CBI. You feel we back at it again with another video. Look at y'all little pool. Give y'all boys a little pull to get the video started out there big. You feel me? So in today's video, y'all, as you can see, we're doing a little POV. You feel me? It's sunny outside. It's not that cold. You feel me? So I was like, shit, why not go ahead and give y'all boys some content out there bit, no cap. Anywho, before we get too far in the video, y'all, make sure that y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. You feel me? What else y'all need to do? Oh, turn the post notifications on. Damn, I already said that. Fuck it. Y'all know what to do. But you feel me? We behind the wheel of the Hellcat, you feel me? Hopefully y'all been liking the Insta 360 videos that I've been doing. I also got the camera on right now, as y'all can see in the rearview mirror. So I'm gonna be splitting up like the different angles and stuff in this video. I'm gonna be talking and give y'all, like, whenever I do pulls and stuff, I'm gonna be giving y'all that footage all in this video too. So we're gonna be flip-flopping that shit, no cap. Right now we is in Hoover. If y'all don't know what Hoover is a very, very, very high class neighborhood, so I cannot cut up in it bit. I ain't gonna be cutting up anyway because I don't need to get in trouble with the police. I got court next Monday and I'm trying to get all that shit nipped in the bud, no doubt. Let's see, we gotta watch out for deers and shit too. Damn, y'all heard that? Car sounding good though, per usual. I do need to get me an oil change one day this week. Not gonna lie, I really do need an oil change. My junk probably at like 5%. But I don't think that's accurate because, I don't know, I just gotta see. It's not accurate, but it's not far off from that though. Let's see what we're gonna do. Little pull, I can't do too much because these roads curvy, but these is fun little roads and stuff to be turning on. You know, back in my neck of the woods, the roads is so messed up. I can't even drive like this on my side of town. We gotta slow down for the school kids. You know, they don't play that over here. They'll give you attempted murder for driving over the speed limit when kids is around. So we gotta pipe that all the way down. Also, y'all let me know what other type of videos y'all want to see. I really need to, the only thing that I really don't like about my Insta 360 videos is the audio. I see when somebody say you can get these little like Velcro wind reducers or something, and you can put them on the camera and it'll make it sound a whole lot better. So I might go with that first to see how better it make the audio come out. If not, I'm gonna get me a DJI mic with a transmitter, you feel me? And we just gonna get the audio like that because the audio is so muffled, like you can't even hear like the pops or nothing. Like that shit crazy. But we gonna get it straight. Just give me some time for me to figure out the best audio solution, you feel me? No doubt. From over there, that's the police station in Hoover. We don't want no smoke with them boys. Mess with the firefighters though, they cool. But as far as the police, I ain't messing with them boys right now. Never. I ain't gonna lie, I done spent a lot of unnecessary money on like court. Oh shit, there go police right there. Like, here go a police behind me. I feel like he finna be on the bullshit. I got my 360 camera rolling though, so hopefully we good. But I guarantee you this nigga finna fuck with me, bro. That's why I put the camera down. Hopefully he leave me alone. Y'all see his ass? Alright now. I ain't did nothing wrong. Hopefully my lights isn't on color changer mode. Like RGB. I don't know though. He might be chill. It's okay. We got that camera on the back now. Shorty. We ain't worry about none of that. Gotta keep my RPMs down. Use the turn signal. Is he gonna keep it moving? Yes, sir! We out of the heat zone now. My boy kept it moving. That's exactly what we need. Please don't get on my meat today. I just got all work. Now, since that loser is out the way, now we can do a pull. Let's see. Well, that wasn't a pull I wanted. I thought I had more distance between these cars. Nigga ain't have no distance. What an 18-wheeler driver blow? Oh, he trying to see the car. Oh, we. Oh, we can hear. I ain't gonna lie. When 18-wheeler driver usually try to get my attention, I used to be scared as hell. I just used to hit their ass, goddamn. I just used to hit their ass, goddamn, blowing the horn and shit. I'm like, what the hell going on? I'm thinking a car on fire or some shit. And let the windows up. Whole time these niggas trying to get my attention to talk to me about the car. I was about to pull over on their ass. Thought my camera fell off or something. Can't have them type of problems. That camera expensive as hell. The whole goddamn setup. When we get a little bit farther down, I'm gonna get y'all boys another little pull. You feel me? And anything that y'all see on here is not real. I'm actually in Mexico right now. So if y'all see I'm speeding, just know I'm in Mexico. And my speedometer is altered. So do not take it serious, okay? Real nigga. I'm too nervous to be driving like this in Hoover. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all niggas. I'm too nervous. I keep feeling like goddamn the police somewhere. Look at this nigga. Yeah, nigga, that's a cat, nigga. Get it right. I know his ass ain't trying to race. Ah, dust the fuck out his ass. What's wrong with him? I'm trying to figure out, should I give him that smoke? I ain't gonna do it. With my luck. Shit. I don't know. Damn, it been shifting crazy. I must be in track mode shift. This should be shifting aggressive as hell. The hell was that? Somebody must have blew that horn. Hope they wasn't blowing that horn at me. I need that little gap right here. Never mind. This nigga in this Volkswagen, what the hell is he doing? Go ahead, go around, twin. These folks be so funny, bro. I didn't even know I had even passed that nigga. But anywho, y'all, I'm finna go ahead and get ready to wrap up this video. You feel me? Make sure that y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me some more videos and stuff that y'all do want to see from me. It can be retarded videos. You feel me? It could be serious videos. It could be whatever y'all want. Just let me know what y'all want to see. You feel me? I'm thinking about going to like a little circuit track where you like drive around the track. Like we probably can like drift and like just do like a little circuit type of driving. So I'm thinking about getting a couple of my partners together to go make a little video like that. I think that'll be something that y'all like. But let me know in the comments if y'all do want to see that. Like I said, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell. And until next time, y'all, I'm out. Peace.